Frank, what are we up to? What are we doing today?
Everybody remembers this this area where, if everybody remembers this.
From our very first Mooreland House video.
Yeah. Well.
Well.
Yeah. So we were over here working on the tractor, and I thought, oh, look at this. I thought we was gonna have to redo all that because it was sagging into the concrete footer or something. But we started looking at it, and it looks like that there's actually a pad for this that somehow this got moved off of it. So the pad is still there and looks like it's in good shape.
Yeah, it does. Kind of got overran by a few.
Yeah. So I think we might be able to
just slide it back on.
Pull it back up. I would love to have that thing back up where it's supposed to be. And we can't tell. It seems loose. I don't know what this is.
There is a metal rod sticking up.
But what's the chances we could
pull it back up into place?
Not pull everything down.
Well, it's supported. Ish.
What's the chances? We're missing what, baby?
For that.
Alright. Go forward real slow.
The post isn't straight, but
yeah.
Is it still turned just a little? But at least it's back on the pad. See, it's at least up there. Needs to be, it's a little cockeyed, but better than halfway off. Very good. That's where it was sitting, as you can see, and now it's back on the pad. Just needs to be straightened out a little, but that's okay. I think we can turn it easy enough. From very delicate hand signals from Frank, we were able to get that straight, pulled back up on the pad. Well, that wasn't really doing much, was it?
Well, not after we got that.
No.
Hold on a second.
Okay, we got Bertha holding up this side. We lifted it up. And I can't film and concentrate on Frank's directions, but we've lifted it up a little bit, right up there. And he's trying to support that just a little bit and shim it up a little bit. So, okay, here's another view. We've got Bertha holding that up. And you can see right up here where we lifted it up maybe a quarter of an inch, half an inch. And Frank's got the plywood underneath. And right there, it's got its shim underneath to support it a little bit. Well, it's on the tines of the fork. It's just kind of resting there. And do this at the same time.
So it's not very much to lift the whole thing.
I just kind of like using both hands.
All right, Carrie, get back in. We got to take it up a little bit. Yeah. That's good.
The hole.
No, there's not a hole.
Oh.
That's what I mean.
There's not a hole in this to fit on that. There was wood built all around, so we just have it shimmed in place right now. So, how did it do with the rest of it? Did it?
Still going?
Yeah.
It's definitely different because now that there's a gap there.
A gap where?
In that.
Oh, yeah. In that.
And it looks like it's farther away, but I think it's just because it's now straight up and down.
It didn't pull it out of anything.
So we need to get a post there.
Can't we just use that?
I guess we could cut the top off the tree. We need to get up in there. The reason we're doing this, we need to get up in here and fix that.
Yeah.
That's a flat roof, but it's not very flat right now. Bring it down, see what happens. It held. Come on down. Be careful, just come on down first. So you don't get all the trees in the chain. Go ahead and back up. That was a lot easier than jacking it. I got the jack out and I was gonna do it with the jack, but that was so much easier. There's still some fine tuning to go, but at least it's back on its pedestal. Not exactly square, but it's back on its pedestal.
Better. All right. It's supporting itself. It's a good thing. Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos and appreciate you joining us on our journey. So feel free to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, feel free to share our videos, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can know when a new video comes out. Until next time. Are you holding my tripod for me, Mia and Mimi? Huh? Are you holding my tripod, Mimi? Huh? You want me to move it out of your way? Would you like me to move that out of your way? Is that better? Is that better, girls? Mm-hmm. My little helpers. My good helpers.